Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. Tiffany Co New York is an impressive men's watch that reflects the luxury and elegance associated with the legendary Tiffany Co of New York. Previously in use, this watch still retains its exquisite style and impressive quality. The case of the watch is made of stainless steel, giving it durability and a spectacular shine. With a case size of 53 millimeters, this watch is a real accent on the wrist and draws attention to its unique design. The Tiffany Co New York watch is equipped with a mineral crystal, providing reliable protection against scratches and damage, making it the perfect companion for everyday life. The alligator bracelet adds sophistication and comfort to the watch while emphasizing its luxurious style. The mechanical movement, manufactured in Switzerland, provides precise timekeeping and has a power reserve of up to 34 hours. This is a testament to the outstanding craftsmanship and reliability in its manufacture. Although this watch is not designed to be submerged underwater, it is splash-proof, ensuring that its appearance is preserved even in unfavorable weather conditions. The functionality of this watch is limited to displaying hours, minutes and seconds, making it a reliable tool for timekeeping. The dial of the watch is in excellent condition, keeping the time display crisp and clear. Tiffany Co New York is a magnificent watch that combines luxury, classic style and Swiss quality. It will emphasize your individuality and add sophistication to any look. Good shopping and have a great day.